Hello there, jazz students. Mr. E coming at you on Tuesday, March 24th. Hope everyone is well. Posted a video yesterday dealing with some improvisational things, chromatically um, encompassing primary chord tones. In other words, if you're trying to get to the one, the root of a chord, you could use the seventh going to the second, then to the flat second, back to the seventh, and to the one. A lot of notes in there, but it gives you this effect. And you could do that same pattern for any of the notes in a given chord, any of the primary notes. That would be the goal. So like 1, 3, 5, 7, and even 9. So a half step below your target note, then major second above it, flat second, back to a half step below, and then the actual note that you're targeting. Wanted to give you another one that's a little simpler. And basically the idea is just either a whole step below the target note and going chromatically to it, or a whole step above the target note and getting to the target that you're shooting for. So in other words, it's a lot of words, but I could just play it and you would get it pretty quick. F7, this is all still related to the blues, just using Bulldog Blues, which I posted to Google Classroom, third hour and fourth hour. Just using that as our device. So, for example, F7, you could do it, approach each note from a whole step below to where you would get this. Here's the chord. If you want to go to the ninth. And then you could go from a whole step above the note. So you would get this. Here's the ninth. Now, of course, if you use any of this stuff too much, then it just becomes too much. But it's just a way to get into an idea, or it can be. So, again, I don't have sheet music on this one. It's just me sort of demonstrating and explaining it. But again, it's if you're trying to get to the primary chord tones, going from a whole step below chromatically, or going from a whole step above chromatically. So it could sound something like, this is just sort of putting it to practice. And just like the other one, it's going to be overemphasized for the sake of this video. But it could sound like... And you'll notice I'm generally playing the beginning of each little phrase, starting on the upbeat. Kind of makes it swing harder, in my opinion. So if you're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, ba-do, da, 1, and 2, and, you know. So there you go. You might try that on, of course, the blues that I uploaded, but it could be on any tune. And just experiment with it. These are just tools to help you create ideas and in the spirit of bebop and just good music, kind of creating tension and release, or dissonance leading to consonance. So that's where the chromaticism comes in. So I hope that helps, and I hope you guys are tuning in. I hope you're doing well, staying safe, staying healthy, and with any luck, this virus thing we're dealing with will be over more sooner than later. Take care. Ciao.